Namaskaram friends, wish you all a very happy, prosperous and safe Diwali. Hope this Diwali bring us back the happiness and togetherness that we lost due to this pandemic. So today I would like to talk about Diwali. On this day of Diwali, so auspicious day, I want to talk about Diwali only. Diwali, the main reason that we all know from our childhood days, this is the day on which Lord Krishna vanquished the Narakasuran, and on his request we are celebrating this day. But our acharyas say that according to our Sanatana Dharma, we don't celebrate on anyone's death. So we have an interesting reason more than that most of us all know. The reason is that we know that of all the rivers, Ganges is the holiest river. It doesn't mean that other rivers are not holy. Of course, all the rivers are very precious and treated as treasures. But among all the rivers, Ganges is considered to be a very holiest river. Here in this foreign land, here also rivers are considered as pure because they are the main water bodies that supplies water to all the human beings. No? So water is considered as pure and the rivers are considered so pure. So our Vedas or our Acharyas say that on this day, in whichever part of our country it may be, Ganges reaches us. So that's the belief. So we celebrate this day because the purest river, the holiest river reaches us on this day, so which is we are celebrating as a festival. So in South India we have the habit of asking Ganga Snanam Acha. So that which means that whether we have all taken the holy oil bath. What it doesn't mean that we have to get the Ganges river from Kasi to our home. Any water that we get in our bucket or water tub that we take bath is considered as Ganges on this day. So Deepavali, what this word Deepavali means? Deepa means lamps. Vali means in series. We lit up the lights in series of lights. Representing that we remove the darkness and bring out the lights in our life. Which means that Lord Krishna removed the darkness of Narakasuran. That is, he removed the darkness created by Narakasuran. Narakasuran is known for a lot of evil deeds. One is that he captured more than 16,000 girls. So in order to relieve these girls from the trouble and pain they had, Lord Krishna vanquished Narakasuran. And apart from this, the other wrong deeds that Narakasuran did was, he had stolen the Airavatam elephant of Indiran, and Indiran's mother Amaravati's earring was stolen by him. Varuna's umbrella was stolen by him. All these are considered as precious treasures, no? So which means they lost their lights, correct? Which Lord Krishna brought them back. He brought them back the lights for them by getting back these lost things to them from Narakasuran. So representing that, we lit up the lamps, which we call it as Deepavali. And also, he has given life back to all those 16,000 plus girls, which means that their darkness was removed. Correct? So representing all this. So this is the second reason. The first one is that the Ganges reaches us all. We may be in any part of the world. It is considered on this day of Amavasa. Ganges reaches us. The second thing is Lord Krishna killed Narakasuran. And we are not celebrating the death of Narakasuran actually, because our Sanatana Dharmam says that we don't celebrate anyone's death, but the darkness was removed by Lord Krishna, representing that we celebrate. The other thing is we do Lakshmi Puja on this day. Kuberan is considered to be a wealthy person and we worship him for wealth, correct? Do you know who is giving wealth to Kuberan? It is goddess Mahalakshmi. So doing Lakshmi Puja on this day is very auspicious. So there is another reason also why we perform Lakshmi Puja, because goddess Mahalakshmi gives us prosperity and wealth on this day. And we know that she gives us every day, but this is a very special day, being the auspicious day today. The other reason is that this is the day on which Rama returned back to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. That's the other reason. So these are the few essence I want to give. There are a lot of acharyas who have given wonderful significance of Deepavali, but on this day I want to talk about Deepavali. I hope in the coming years it brings us a lot of lights in our life. Thank you all friends. Namaskaram.